Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me as usual is my husband Marcel right behind the camera. Now today we are in Trelawney, in New Hope to be specific, and we're here to speak with a gentleman by the name of Ricky, who is blind and amazingly is able to do so many things that we have to highlight him. So stay for that, but please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get into the video. Morning, Ricky.
Good morning, darling. Good morning. Good morning. What is your name, Miss?
I am Michelle.
Oh, Miss Michelle.
Yes.
Mrs. Michelle.
You can say Michelle, it's alright. Like I am going to say Ricky.
And Mr. Zali.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yes.
So how are you this morning?
I give thanks, you know.
Yes.
Give God thanks. We wake
Yes.
up this morning, we give him morning by morning new mercy.
Yes,
Yeah?
absolutely.
So we have to give thanks, you know.
Absolutely.
And he's good God, man.
Indeed.
Yeah,
Indeed.
man. God is a good God.
So looking at you though, Ricky, it's really difficult to tell that you're not able to see.
Yes.
Because you see, unless you know, then you pretty much, we would just pass you by just thinking that you're seeing us.
True.
Yes.
True.
So talk to us about, you were raised in, and you born and grew in this area?
Me born Rock Spring.
Oh,
but
okay.
me grow, you know Miss Blossom? Zali know Miss Blossom and Joe Donald.
Oh, I hear that name before.
Miss Blossom, me live from me a little baby, man. You have to call this, I grow, I knew what me grow.
Yes, yes, okay.
Born and grow and knew what.
So how long now have you been blind?
About 8 years now, you know, call it about 8 years now. This year I'm about 8 years now.
So what caused that?
You know, doctor say me have glaucoma and cataract.
Okay.
I want something where they call, they say cyst, cataract na this eye and glaucoma, no, glaucoma na this eye and cataract na this one. And I want something where doctor say cyst. I got doctor up a Cuban doctor there and then test me eye and, you know, and the doctor say, me not go recover.
Yeah.
So I don't have to do no operation, you know.
Okay. Oh, so as a result of that, you have not, you know, operated in any way? And
yes, I mean I use eye drops, but the eye drops dear only buy me, I buy still not help.
Oh.
Yeah, so I say me not bother with it, man, me I left it to God, you know.
Yes, yes. So when you just discovered that, you know, it's a possibility that you could go blind, how was that? How you managed that? In terms of, you know, knowing now that at the time?
You know, me did, when me go doctor, me go see Dr. Bartley. Me go to Dr. Bartley Medical Center. That time I find out say something in my eye.
Yes.
I fall out. So me go to Medical Center. I go if you want go through my eye did bad. Me try get a Dr. Bartley give me a number. So I must call. Because me join it was a clinic, you know.
Yes.
So he give me a number and say I must call. So when me call now, and call now, and tell me say come in the Monday. You know. I believe me call, I don't remember which day me call, but me know say me call one day and then say he must come in the Monday, and me go in and me go up there and sit down at the medical at the veranda and then call my name and them say must go upstairs. And when me go upstairs now, one doctor upstairs will test me eye and he test me eye. And he said me have glaucoma.
Okay.
Me have something growing on my eye. So he give me a letter to go Mandeville Eye Clinic. So when me go there now, then test me eye and then tell me say me have glaucoma and cataract.
So at the time when you went to the doctor, it was an issue you were having with your eye?
Yes.
That why you went to check it out?
Yes, me go to check it out because me I did, you know, sometimes when they call it far vision or something like that.
Nearsighted or farsighted?
Yes. So sometimes me put on something, me can't see it. So me say, you know.
So you realized something was wrong?
Yes, so me realized something was wrong. So when me go at because me go forget a test glass.
Yes.
You know, but when me go, you know, doctor test me and he just give me a letter say must go mandible clinic, eye clinic and mandible.
Yes.
And I start visit the clinic.
Right. Okay.
You know.
Yeah. So it was at that clinic that you met the Cuban doctor?
No, not that clinic. After.
Oh, okay.
After me lose my sight now. Me join the clinic at Warsaw.
Yes.
So somebody tell me about the doctor at Kingston.
Okay.
So me just ask the clinic doctor if she could have give me a letter for carry in. And she give me a letter. And me just carry in and my niece can me go up at the eye clinic up.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so then me go up there now at the Cuban doctor.
Yes.
Then test me eye and everything. And when they test it, then she say, me don't make no doctor operate for me eye because you know come back to. Only a miracle.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
Okay.
And that me I look.
You're praying for a miracle.
Yes, man, me praying for a miracle.
Absolutely.
Just me, I know say me have a hope say me I go see again.
Yes, that's good.
Yes,
that's
man.
His spirit.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Indeed.
Because I know say God is good. God is a miracle God.
Oh yes.
I know what man say.
Yes, is what God say. Yeah.
And sometimes when you look back, maybe if the doctor, sometimes I gotta forget the praise, you know. Sometimes God do some things for him God get the praise.
For His glory, yes.
For His glory, you know, so.
Absolutely. So how, talk to us now, because one of the things that I was most impressed with is the fact that you're able to do so many things. So before we get into all the things that you're able to do, being blind, talk to us about how you started to learn to do things when you just got blind.
No, me I tell you a real thing. You see, true, me used to it.
Yes.
Me used to wash, cook, clean, and do every little thing for myself.
Yes.
So come out of me. You understand? Me just continue. Cause you see, when I lose my sight, me used to fret pan,
Yes.
Yes, man, me used to fret pan, man. Sometimes in a house I lock up and I come out. Me used to cry.
You were depressed?
Yes, man.
Oh.
Me used to cry, man, and I say, God, me do make a farming. How me I go live?
Yes.
You know? If me lose my sight, how me I go manage? And me talk to God.
Yes.
And when me talk to God, man, me I tell you, trust me, man, me I tell you, say, me lose my sight and me still can do every little thing for myself.
Yes,
me cook, and me one day,
Yes?
Yes, man, I'm one live here.
Oh.
Me cook, me wash, me clean. Me plant me 2 cane.
Oh my God.
Me plant me little gungo.
Yes.
Yes, man.
So you do everything that a person who is able to see can do pretty much.
Me go down and weed up, down and say, I go plant some corn. You know? And me weed up most of it.
Oh, Lord.
I chew the rain and me say,
yes.
Me now go down there today.
Because you see, if it wasn't raining, then we could go down by the farm and actually have a look, but it's raining now.
Yes.
It's raining now.
Yes, man.
So you were about to do some porridge, just before we come. So at least now we get to watch you.
Yes,
all right? That should be something.
Yes.
Oh my God. And you were cleaning this morning?
Yes, man.
Oh, because we see it on your knee that you were cleaning.
Yes, man. Cleaning up your house. You see, right now, I tell you a real thing.
Yes.
You see, with me now, you see, true, me have a little salon also.
Yes.
But me now have a place for myself. But right now, me I tell you the truth, me I need a little place for myself too.
Yes.
You understand?
Because where you're living now, you say it doesn't belong to you?
Right here, son. No, it's not my own. It's but I'm a church sister.
Okay.
But prophet, that I'm Miss Mackenzie brother. In the America, but me and him is a good friend.
Yes.
And me and my wife are 2 church sister. I'm a church sister.
Yes.
You know, so they left me here and me. About 20 years me there. About 20 odd years me there. I like a nice little place for myself still. You know, me try. And me know say, well, one lady at me tell you, they tell her to look about and if you sign up and give me a letter.
Yes.
And she come look at my paper, because I have my land paper and everything. She come look at my paper and she tell me say everything alright. She way. Look about the paper, I go up there. When I go up there, she say, she busy. And I tell you one other time, I am one of my grandnephew ready down here with me. And when I go up there, she a come down the road. But you me can't see her now. My grandnephew, my grandniece see her, I come down and she put her fingers up. No tell him say.
As if to say not to let you know that
yes,
she passing.
Yes. And she passed, and little girl, I go road and she says, that pass, go on. He said, you couldn't tell me. He said, I put him out, so
put her finger at her mouth.
Put her finger at her mouth, say, she know if you tell me, say, she a pass.
Oh.
And when me turn back, I say, alright, because you go down the road. She run the shop and hide.
Oh no.
Yes, man.
So she hiding from you?
She walk, you know. You know, cause she have a driver, where the driver walk and go for a car. And she hide in the shop. Hide, you know.
So this was...
She hide from me, man.
So is it what was she supposed to look about for you?
She write a letter for me.
Oh, so it's just a letter that you needed?
Yes, you just go down Albertone and
oh, and you never get it?
Never get it.
So the land you have, you would have all the documents for it?
Yes, man. Me have the paper them now, man.
Oh, so you ever try to apply for one of those food for the poor houses? To put on the land?
The food, no, me never. Catch you, me don't know how. Me don't know how.
Oh, you don't know the process. You never get to try. Process.
All the while people promise me and all know they not do it.
Oh, I see.
You understand?
I see.
They promise me and all know me not do it. Can they say, right now the Prime Minister say office. If you want a house, you just go to office and just sign up a form. You know, because you have some house I give out. You know.
Oh, so if you're able to get to the office, you could sign up and see if you...
Yes, you could get somebody that go with me and sign up and everything and get you.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
Right now, I love a place for myself.
Yes.
That's what I see it, you know.
Okay. All right. So, you know, persons will be watching and will be seeing this video. So,
yes,
we are, you know, praying that they will be able to assist you, you know, based on your need. Right. All right. So, what do we do next? It's time for you to cook now. You say you're going to cook porridge or something?
Yes, man. I'm going to look for like a porridge.
All right. We are going to follow you.
Yes, man.
All right.
Yeah. Can I come in now?
Yes, man. We are follow.
Yes, man. Come on.
So I should close this door, the veranda door?
The veranda, grill. You can't close the grill.
Close the grill. Okay. Oh wow! So you do all the cleaning?
Yes,
man.
man.
In here look pretty nice.
Yes, man. I'm clean you up, man.
Oh, okay. Okay, so tell me what you're going to be cooking.
I will cook some oats porridge.
Okay.
Blame up here, some oats porridge and some Irish mash. I just blame up here.
I say, yeah, go on, Ricky. Yeah, quite good. Irish mash, what and the oats.
Yeah, man, the Irish mash and the oats.
Oh.
Just blame up everything together, you know.
All right, we'll go watch you.
Yes, man.
Yes. So me they right beside you, you know?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh wow!
When it's very important, you know. Not true.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Very important.
Oh, so that's the Irish mash.
Yes,
so you bought that and boil it. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm right behind you here, man.
Let me this drop off, you know, car.
What's that?
This.
Oh, okay. So how you know that is there?
Yeah?
Oh, so you want it to put somewhere else so it's not in your way?
This, you can't stay still, you know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, man, you can't stay. You know, say sometimes ups and down.
Yes.
You know them way there? I mean,
So what? Yes. Right. Wow, that looks rich and pretty.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my.
Okay, so now I'm going to move it for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Put it right beside the machine. Yeah. You know where everything is, Ricky. You know where. Impressive. Oh
You can't do anything, you know.
Yes.
This is when you're used to that thing still, you know.
Yes, man.
This is when you're used to certain things, you know. You're used to certain things, you know. Sometimes you will miss up, yes.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
You can't get some of this stuff here, no, bossy.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
What is that for?
Yeah?
What is it for? What's the benefit?
This is good, man. Irish mash, you know. Good for everything, man.
Okay, okay.
Good for your nerves.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, so you didn't buy this one?
Yeah?
You didn't buy this one?
This is Irish mash, yeah? No, yeah, you know, so my niece, I deal with.
Oh.
My
Okay,
niece and my niece husband.
Okay, okay.
He sell it Irish mash, linseed and
Yes.
flower seed and ground rabbit and all and something.
Okay, okay. So you get any children?
No.
Oh, okay.
Now bigger look now one something there, one spoon, a bigger feet.
Okay, so
Now one little container, you know.
see it here. No, hold on. I rinse it for you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, thank you. Yeah, man, me get some for you, man. Good, you know.
Yes.
Yes, man. You see all when you have the what's porridge. Hey, man, you mix it with it. You don't want to done, man.
Yes. So how often you do this type of porridge?
Me do it, you know, but not so often.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Not so often.
Yeah. Wow.
Good, man. Yes, man. And number one. You see, I hear what you do. You see this, you know? Right now, if me did have milk, you know,
have no milk.
no, it's cannons milk. No, no cannons milk. Because I told me now, if me have you see this now. You know, you mix it with your oats, blend up your oats. Get one Guinness. And one supper gin.
Oh.
And 2 ripe banana.
Yes.
And blend it with it.
Oh.
My number 1 drink that, man. Yes, man.
I forgot try that. Yes.
Yes,
sound
man.
good.
You feel no way, man. Me I tell you.
Yes.
Get one Guinness, man. Supper gin. And
2 banana and
2 ripe banana.
Yes.
And blend me. And get your nutmeg and your vanilla.
Yes.
You throw in a blender, you throw your nutmeg in a blender, you grate your nutmeg in a blender, and you grate and you throw vanilla in a blender and just blend up everything.
Yes.
Oh God, man. You know,
then you chill it for a little bit.
Yes, you can put it, you know, for a little bit. Put it on your fridge and you sometimes, you know, sometimes don't blame him there, you know. If you know my shop, you don't want no food. Sometimes when you come in, I like sometimes, you know.
Yes, because it coming like a meal.
Yes, man.
Yes.
You don't want no food, man. Very good, man.
Yes, man. See, Marcel nodding, agreeing with you.
Yeah, man. Very, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
The spoon in there. I don't know why I tell you, because you want always there.
Yeah, man, you can't tell me too, but you say company is very good, you know.
Yes. So it get lonely sometime when you're there by yourself?
Oh God, man, me I tell you, trust me. You see, me I tell you the truth. You say me I saw church sister there.
Yes.
Oh God, man, me I tell you, say man. You see, woman, I best people, you know.
Absolutely.
Woman are number 1, man. You see, when man I treat woman, man, they not no blessing forget, man. I best people in the whole, man. You think I joke?
Yes, man.
Anywhere me go, me talk that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me go to church, me talk that, man. Anywhere me go, when I best set up people in the, you know, when you find out you use a woman, when you take sick.
Yeah.
You know, I want help. And you lie down on your bed and you look up and you stop and can't get up.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes, man.
You want one cup of water. And you can't come off your bed, come take you up.
Yes.
You think I joke?
No, man, we know it's a serious thing you're talking about. Yeah.
Ah, Jesus. And when you sometimes when you're sick and your wife gone out and you just dying to see him come back. As you hear him voice so, if you know my shop you want to get up off your bed.
Yeah.
And you can't get up.
Oh Lord. So you ever been married before? As
No,
you're talking
sir.
about that? Oh.
Me try already, I'm gonna succeed.
Oh.
So yeah.
So what happened? If you care to talk about
man,
share.
Me meet up one lady in the church, you know. From House of Spring. You know. And then he go, you woman are generally a man.
Oh, okay, all right. Understand.
So me nobody, you know.
Yes.
No, you see, me that we selling about here, you know. Me get the vision. Me get the vision, see. Me cause sometimes, you know, me I tell you, you know, sometimes we communicate, you know, and sometimes when you reach all 11 o'clock, you know. Sometimes when we don't talk, you know, at 6 o'clock in the morning, you know.
Whoa. On the phone all night?
Yes, man.
My.
And she tell me, say she get free card. At night time.
Oh.
And you know, say 11 o'clock, they used to give free card first time.
Oh, yes, years ago.
Yes.
Okay.
And she tell me, say, why? And me use. And she say, no worry yourself, man. Me I want free card. Me and you can't talk.
Yes. Yeah.
And me and I talk till when me at 6 o'clock. You know, me check say I was a good man.
Yeah, but it never work out.
And G me get.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes when you lose your sight, when time, you say you have to give thanks in the good time and the bad time.
Yes.
You know? Because sometimes, I tell you the truth, if my name blind and I married to her and I get disadvantage. You understand? So, God work it out. One night, my dream say, me there one place. And when I go to a place, I wash this smoke up, you know? Me have to run from the wash, man. Wash turn down for me, have to run. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, me have to run.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man, me have to run, man.
Okay, so you use that as an indicator and that.
Okay. Yeah. So me say, why God do everything for His purpose.
Yes.
Yeah, He make me look me side through that.
Yes. So also you were talking to her before you went blind.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me that talk to her before me. But my sight did not give me problems still, you know. But yeah, and her did that talk, you know.
Right.
So sometimes when you see God do things, you know, sometimes you know, if you say you man complain, you just pray and just give Him thanks. You know?
Absolutely. So true.
Yeah, just give Him thanks because you don't know the reason why it happened. Because maybe me that did.
Yeah.
You know. Right, this a look.
Okay, so you soak the oats.
Yes, man.
It's from this morning you're soaking
this
it?
Morning, yes.
Okay.
Yes. But me not going to use all of this. I beg you to go over, so just one cup black cup them.
Black cup.
Right, I plate
yes,
them in between the plate them.
Yeah, man, see it here, like a measuring cup.
Yes.
For me, and you cook today, you know.
Yeah, man.
Let me stay right here, so.
Yes, man.
So you know, so it's a black cup.
Huh?
How you know it's a black cup?
You see, you me know it for a long time.
Okay.
Never make it look tasty, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Never make it look tasty, man. Just blend everything.
Just that. Oh, so you come back over the side here now?
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
You blend everything?
Yeah, man, I blend everything, man. Yeah.
More in there?
More in there?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Oh, okay. I do it a bit at a time.
Yeah, I will do a little. Have a spoon there. Alright. Okay.
Oh, the cover over here, so.
My niece, you know, was
the cover right beside you?
Yes, ma'am, yeah. My niece, where you that talk to? You want me to come back to town, come live, you know?
Yes?
Yes, man.
She tell me she wanted to come and live.
Yes,
but
man. But she said, me not go, sir.
She said because you love your farming and your stuff.
Yeah. Me not go up there.
Oh, okay.
Right. Right, now I'll get to a different pattern now. Join.
So Ricky,
Yes, ma'am.
me think you just, like while you're alone and all of that, you just do something real quick when it's so technical so that you don't have to blend and all of that. You know, feel like that sometime. Just do something real quick so that, because you have to blend and all of that. Or you no mind?
No, me no mind is still, you know.
No, okay.
No mind is still. But I know often me do it still, you know.
Okay, it's a special occasion.
Yes, me not do it so often. I will speak rag. Not do it so often, you know.
So guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the video.
Yeah.
And please remember always to tell us where you're watching from. We'd appreciate that.
Yeah.
Oh, not you, Ricky.
Okay.
Just talking to the persons who are watching us, our viewers and our subscribers.
Yes.
All right.
Right, now I'm going to get the matches and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you always put everything pretty much the same place so you know exactly where it is.
Yes, man.
Oh. Okay, Ricky, hold on. I'm gonna move something for you. There's a wire on top of this stove. So I'm gonna just drop it to the side here.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Oh,
you put it up
yes,
here?
Yes, ma'am, I put it up there.
Okay.
That bone up. Me that feel it still when I put on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ricky, how you manage with food on a daily basis and so on,
food.
You know? Mm-hmm.
Me get you know, I tell you, man, I trust me, I tell you the truth. If me tell you say me hungry, me I tell lie.
Yes.
You know, God make provide for me, man.
Yes, man.
You know?
Yes.
Provide for me, oh God, man, me I tell you. I'm a so nice church sister.
Yes.
Sister Karine.
Then take care of you.
That's a Dave wife.
Yes.
Sunday evening time, you know, me get me dinner.
Oh, wow.
Me no cook on a Sunday evening time.
Okay. That is so nice. Oh,
yeah, man.
wow. So we have to big up Sister Karine.
Yes, man.
Enough respect.
Me say me have some good, you see, me have some good friend, man. Good friend. Will help me out, you know.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yes, man. If me tell you say me hungry, me not tell lie.
Yes.
You know. Cause me have one sister. Me have one sister where she live at Rock Spring, but her husband dead last year. Year before last.
Okay.
But her daughter them take her up here.
Oh.
Yeah, but when she come look for me all the while.
Yes. Okay.
All the while she come look for me. And when she come, she carry everything going me.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you're not locking in that area.
One sister, let me see. How much sister me have? Me have three. Three sister me are dead, you know. 4 sister me have, you know, one left.
Yeah. So you're the youngest?
You're the last, yes.
You're the last one.
I beg you, please look over. You see one buckle with one vanilla in it, one small buckle.
Yes.
Yeah, man, yeah.
See it here.
Typically night, definitely, please.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I hope you never, I don't really know, and I just...
Yes, man, just,
yeah.
No problem. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, Mika.
Oh, Ricky,
This one big spoon, if me please.
I think this one, I wonder for this one drop in the pot, you know, so we have to, the one you were using before.
Drop in the pot?
Yeah, me just take it out. I hit you want?
No man, one big spoon. Look, this one big spoon.
Oh, big spoon.
See right in the corner there.
Oh, this one.
Let's rinse it off if me please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Why the stove going like that? Like it out, it out.
No man, in a hot, so it you know.
Oh.
The stove, yeah, it hole, you know, so it gets in a stove 100.
Oh, okay. Oh, Lord.
Okay. You see a cup?
The black, yes.
It's a black cup. Thank you.
Remove the blender. Ricky, you're too strong, man. Yeah, stir it on it, it's a flash over.
It's a flash over? Okay. Alright.
You're too strong, you drink too much Irish moss. What you want now? The pot? Seat here?
Yes, the pot.
Yeah.
Okay. Good something, you know? Yes, man, a good something for drink,
You
man.
tell us.
Good something, man.
You love it, man.
Yes, man, good something for
Yes.
drink.
Supposed to be highly beneficial.
Me I tell you, man, if you get it, man, me I'll get some, make you get some, you know?
Yes, yes. Thanks.
Me I'll get some. Because sometimes my niece carry one bag full, come give me.
Oh,
one little
okay.
small, you know, scandal bag them.
Ricky,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
patter come off. All right. Good now. So you have to keep stirring that.
Yeah. It's water definitely, please.
Water?
Liquor water. You can tip in it.
Okay. Let me use the black cup. Alright, here you go.
Yes, man, I'm coming to you there.
Well, Alaska that.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
Oh, so you're going to put the Alaska in the water here now?
Me will put the last in this.
Yeah, mix it with the Irish sauce. Oh boy, impressive. So it's who teach you to make this so now? Who teach you to do it?
You know, see, I just use my knowledge.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I just may use, you know.
Yes.
You see, alcohol porridge, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man, you see, all banana porridge too. You can mix it with it.
Okay,
Tip
okay.
liquor water and I just me, please.
Okay. Alright.
All right, now. Yeah.
So the cover for the Alaska here.
Yes, ma'am, yeah, me I go get the
Yeah, put a little bit more water.
Put a bit more salt, bit of salt tonight.
Your Alaska finish your Ricky.
Yes, man, yes, man. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, if you don't a yard, man, I know I'm saying, man, just call me, man.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, man.
All right.
Yes, man, just call me, man. If me not know, me tell you, say me not know.
Yes.
You know where on safe?
Just
You know?
call.
Just call.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Thanks so much, man. I appreciate that.
Big little more, just tip little water in it.
Oh, just a little bit.
Yeah, man, just call, man. and tell it, and me say, tell the boss you come for.
All right.
Yeah. There was some jai gunga where
In the box there, are you plant it?
I go plant it.
Oh, so
I will give you some make you plant.
okay, okay. Thank you.
I will give 1 pint.
All right. That's a lot. I have to go cook some, Ricky.
Can be.
Yes,
yes,
so
man.
how you do sit down and shell these, or you put them in bag and beat
No, man, me Shelly, man.
You shell it?
Yeah, man, me sit down and Shelly.
Oh.
Yeah, man, me sit down and Shelly, man.
Because I know some persons then put it in one of those crocus bags.
Me no love beat it, me no love beat it, because you see when me beat it now,
it's trashy?
it's trashy and it's hard to fan out.
Okay, okay.
And me can manage the fanning out there.
Yes.
Big pot of porridge that
Yeah, tell you. And it looks rich too, you know.
Yeah, man.
My. So what else you going to put in there, Ricky?
No, put nothing more in there.
Oh, okay.
One thing me da put in there now, not egg.
Oh, you know, have
Me
it?
not have any.
Oh.
You know, so.
So you just make it simmer a bit. Let me push it over a little bit for you.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
All right.
Just make the stove and turn it down a little bit.
All right, so Ricky, if it is that I buy some Irish moss, tell me how me go about preparing it.
Them don't know it type with them sell still, you know, but if you want 1 pound enough, you know.
Yes.
So if you buy ½ pound, or if you buy, I don't know how them sell it still.
I think sometimes they do some little packages. I don't know how much, but it's, you know, maybe just as much as I saw you with a while ago.
Yeah, sometimes the package, like something where they sell everything with it. They sell linseed with it, they sell green bit with it. So you see linseed now. The linseed now, you just soak, you blame the linseed to yourself.
Okay.
You know, blame it with the Irish mash.
Yes.
You blame the linseed to yourself and blame the Irish mash to yourself. But all you soak your Irish mash. Soak little like it, not enough. You know, because it's something that swell, you know.
Yes.
When you get up all night morning and look at it, you can't believe it's swell.
Oh.
So you have to know how to do it.
Yeah, so you can't use too much, or
No,
you have a whole lot.
Yes, you can't use too much.
So when you soak it, how long it can serve you for? So
No, man, you post you go use it. You call it say you go use you go use it. If you go use it this evening, you can soak your morning.
okay.
9 morning.
But when I ask you how long it can serve for, let's say I do it and I do too much and I don't want to use all at once.
No,
it's
too thick. You have to go blame me again.
Oh.
So you have to use a little. You understand?
As you need it.
Yes, as you need it.
Yeah.
Because you know, say you have it in you have your Irish mash. You have in a plastic, in a like a plastic bag, or you have in a bag where they sell a cloth bag them.
Yes.
You just take out Likkle.
Yeah.
And put it in something and wash it off and put it down for soak. Can't cover it. And put it down for soak.
Yes.
You can't use one whole heap one time because you have to go put it in the fridge and you still have to go blame me over again.
Yeah, because it keeps soaking and soaking.
No, man, it thick up.
It thicks up. Oh. Okay.
You see when you blame me and put it in the fridge, it thick up. So you have to go blame me again.
Okay.
You
So
understand?
better just use what you need.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you know, say you need little for those jar little porridge.
Yeah, they do that amount.
You just do that amount.
So if you're going
So
to
if it
use
can't serve you long, all ½ pound, you know.
Yes.
½ pound can't serve you long as ever.
So whether you put it in a drink or you're putting it in porridge, it's the same soaking and blending.
Yes, you soak the same way.
Okay.
Yeah, you get all your oats.
Yes.
You get your oats, you get 2 ripe banana. You know, you get a supper gin.
Yes.
You know?
And that's the drink.
That's the drink.
And the nutmeg and
And
the
your nutmeg.
vanilla. Okay.
Your vanilla.
Okay.
Suppose you want to put 2 Guinness in it or you want to put 2 Malta in it.
Okay. Depending on your preference, because
Yes.
some people don't drink alcohol.
Yes. So
Yes.
you use 2 Malta.
Okay.
You know?
Yes. Okay.
And blend it together.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you just blend it together, but you don't have to throw no water upon it.
Yes.
After you soak it
Yeah.
and blend it in the water.
That's your liquid.
Yes, you just blend your words and just throw it in it and you strain it where you have to strain it.
Yes.
You know, say you have to strain it. You have to strain it to a thin strainer.
Definitely have to go try that. Sounds exciting.
It's nice, man.
I'd love to try it with the Malta and see, because the Malta has a kind of flavor to it too.
Yeah, you know, I need a little help. Me have a little salon and me have a little salon and me like a little house pan. Anybody can help me. Me appreciate it and me give thanks, you know. Me glad for it. You know. Because I know some good, nice people out there will help. So, I need a little help because I need one place for myself, you know. I live somewhere is not my own, but I still want one place for myself. So I ask you, please, can you help me? Who can help me? Please.
Yeah.
And I appreciate it.
All right.
And God bless you.
Okay. All right.
I know say you know too love whole pot sugar, you know. Mix it, you can mix it for me, you know.
Oh, the porridge?
Yeah, man.
But me don't know how much sugar you use.
No, but me no use enough sugar neither.
Oh,
me no use enough sugar, you know, me no use enough sugar.
Honey, if you use in that one. Honey.
Honey.
Yeah.
No, me not have any honey, you know.
Lord. All right.
You just no use enough butter. Yeah, you have to just use same like how you know say boy, you know.
All right.
And then say too much honey no good neither, you know.
Anything you use, you have to.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah. Alright, so this is the porridge. I have the privilege of mixing. I don't know why Ricky trusts me around the porridge
No,
to
man,
mixing, but
Yes, sir.
here I am.
Yes, man, you go and mix it, do your thing, man.
Yeah, I hope that sugar is enough because you put Lasco in there already.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now,
Just
yeah,
start it. Just start.
Yeah, man.
you know? I got to know you, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I got me need.
Done.
Eh?
Thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate it a lot. And we get yam too. Whoa! Are you plant that, Ricky?
Yeah, man.
My. Oh, thank you.
This is 10%.
Yes, man. And we cabbage up on the table too
Yeah,
because.
man, take cabbage.
All right. All right, guys. So this is where we end the video for today. And you would have heard Ricky's plea at the beginning. He's hoping that he will be able to get some help to start a house, based on the fact that where he's living now does not belong to him, but he does have land. But just around the time when he was ready to start construction or so, or to do something to make a house, he went blind. So if you're in a position and you're able to assist in any way, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, thank you so much for making it Everything Jamaican. Love you lots. Blessed love, and bye-bye.